Are you looking to build a completely silent PC that still packs a punch? If so, you may want to check out the unique Radeon RX 6400 modification from silent PC enthusiast and Redditor Revocases. This modification involves dumping the stock active cooler and machining a 3mm copper cold plate to mount over both the GPU and memory, and then attaching an Arctic Accelera S1 passive cooler for superior cooling performance. Through testing, the project yielded impressive results. The GPU ran at just over 50 degrees Celsius under load. However, is the passive solution overkill? Silent PC enthusiasts tend to place a high emphasis on quietness, and it's easy to see why. Silence truly is golden. But when looking to cool higher-end PC components like a Radeon RX 6400, a passive cooler might start to dominate a build. Fortunately, Revocases' RX 6400 mod doesn't fall into this category, as the card has a low TGP of 54 watts, making it an ideal candidate for a modestly sized passive cooler solution. The overall result of Revocases' project was successful. The photos reveal average GPU temperatures around 54 degrees Celsius with a hot spot of 60 under full load, yielding far better results than you would expect from a stock coolers. But what is interesting to note is that there are very limited choices when it comes to off-the-peg passive GPU coolers. That said, commercially produced passive cards like the Palette GeForce GTX 1650 columns are reasonably sized, with the GPU raising to around 80 degrees Celsius under load. The Arctic Accelera S1 cooler used in Revocases' project measures 138 by 215 by 33 mm, but this does not include the size of the card itself, which increases the overall bulk. We're hoping to see more efficient passive cooling technology roll out with the latest AMD and NVIDIA graphics architectures, as this would allow for the production of smaller and more performant passive graphics cards. And with silent PC enthusiasts willing to pay a premium for such products, graphics card makers may be attracted to the appeal of such a product. If you're a fan of the idea of a totally silent yet powerful PC, get the details on Revocases' Radeon RX 6400 mod and keep your eyes out for more efficient passive cooling technology in the future.